We got a 2017 beautiful green 392 Scat Pack Charger. Really nice wheels, package. Really beautiful car all the way around. It had some spin techs on it and cut off valves and all this other stuff, but it was all messed up. So we cut it all off and ran them a new system. We're gonna let you guys see it in a second. It's got high flow cats, long tube headers, each side, right there, right there. Then it's got a factory X pipe. Then he left the factory mids on it. He didn't want it too loud. Then we brought and put on two Flow FXs out the back, right there and right there. 2.5-inch pipe all the way back. Part number 71416. And then we also put two 5-inch roll tips, black, just to complete the look, to make it look really beautiful. It fits it completely. So, as you guys can see, really beautiful system. High flow cats, long tube headers, Flow FXs, and stock mids. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe.